So, they think they have the backup, but if someone isn't monitoring that backup, how do they know if it fails? I mean, we've had people go for years with backup, thinking that it was working fine for them, only to find out that it didn't work when they needed it. And that's no good. You can't get to that point, right? You've got to be able to know beforehand. Um, and you know, we manage over 300 backups. We have a person full time. It's all they do is backups. And every morning they see a report. They look for the green ones, which are good, and they look for the red ones, which are bad, which means they haven't worked. And we actually go back and see, okay, why did they fail? Why didn't it work? And we get that resolved because you want to make sure you know before you need the backup that it's working, right? You can't wait until you actually need it to find out it's not working. And we've seen that many, many times with backups. Security the same way. What if the antivirus is not working on your computer? What if you don't have proper antivirus? What's happening there? If that's not working properly, you know, before you know it, you've lost all your data.